Arranging information correctly helps users quickly identify what is needed from them and what they should pay attention to. A good layout or hierarchy of information can dramatically improve people's reading efficiency when accessing a piece of information, which is exactly why information hierarchy is an integral part of UI/UX design workflow. Often designers are faced with the challenges of sorting a lot of seemingly random information in an interface. And in this video, we are going to share with you some tips about info hierarchy that you can use today. First, make sure you process the raw data before incorporating them into an interface. A good place to start would be the elimination of the unnecessary. For example, if you are designing a ride-hailing app like Uber, you would notice that all technical details are not relevant until you key in the destination. Once you tell the app, it can then show you the route, the name of the driver, and the model of the vehicle. It doesn't hurt to hide some unnecessary information from the interface, and your users might thank you for saving their cognitive load. Your job is to know what is vital and what is not. Hide non-important information if possible and emphasize on the critical ones. Second, group the information. Human brains are not designed to absorb a large chunk of information. So we must group some pieces of information to make them bite-sized. Leaving space between text chunks and using dividers and cards can both be effective ways to sort information into groups. For complex structures, try to use a progress bar, tab bar, indentation, or spreadsheet so the density of information can be increased. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.